Hi YouTube, is Peter from Peter.in, and the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 has finally got the Android 8.0 update in India especially. So guys, a lot of users in India has reported that they have received the 8.0 update. Even though Samsung has not officially announced the rollout of the 8.0 update, a lot of users has got the 8.0 update, and they have shared the images via different social medias. And there is actually a ton of new features with the 8.0 update. And before that guys, the update actually weighs around 1.47 GB, and starting from the experience UI has changed from 8.5 to 9, and also the security patches of March 2018. And we do have a lot of features in terms of the always on display. We do have a different clock faces included in the 8.0 update. We do have an improvement in terms of different biometrics like the face unlock, the fingerprint, as well as the iris scanner, and as well as we do have the support for DeX as well. And we do have some enhancement in terms of the edge screen into the Note 8, as well as some of the S8 unlocked devices are also getting the Android 8.0 update in the recent days. As I said before, the edge screen is also a lot customizable, as well as we do have some more features in terms of the edge screen on the Note 8, and the notification toggle has also been customized here and there to get more information, as well as more customization options also be added. And unlike as we know, the iPhone 6s and above have a 3D touch sort of a feature, then that also has been added to the Note 8. That is not that fully touch 3D touch sort of stuff, but we do have some more information when we tap and hold on a particular icon. So that has also been added, and this is what I read in the article as well. So these are some of the stuff that will change with the 8.0 update, and there are actually more stuff that will change. So these are some of the short listed stuff. So that's it guys, hope you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe for more like this. Thank you, have a wonderful day.